Hello, welcome back. This is Joe Jacobson. Welcome back to the Creating Your WordPress Marketing Hub. This is one of the final classes in this series, and we're just about ready to have you start creating some content. But let's take one more look here at the plugins. In the last video tutorial, we helped you configure them. Now we just want to sort of see how to use some of them. There's just a few in here, and I'm sure you'll be adding more later. But this will get you off to a good start, a good fundamental start here. So you have here, you're logged back in to your admin panel. We had loaded a few here. Just let me mention here briefly what each one of them is doing for you. The Akismet is working in the background, and so you don't need to worry about that. And that's going to be helping control your spam on your posts. And the all-in-one SEO pack, we're going to take a look at that as we create a post here, a demo post. The Google Analytics, we did a separate video tutorial for that, and that's available for you now within your Google accounts, so you can track your progress here with analytics on your traffic and so forth. The Sitemaps Generator, we'll take a quick look at that. Not much to do. That's working in the background automatically. The Ping Optimizer, again in the background, but we'll take a look at that so you understand what it's doing. The internal links builder, we'll look at that inside of a post. And then the bookmarks, that's simply functioning again right inside the post. Let's take a look here real quick at the Ping Optimizer. Just click on that in your settings in the dashboard. Okay, in a previous tutorial we talked about increasing your reach out there with the update services by adding more to this list here, to the services. So just as a reminder, I know we talked about it in a past video, but let me pull that up for you here. Here's the list that I posted on a previous video tutorial on a post there on the same blog here. And let's go ahead and copy that. It's a long list here. Okay, and then bring that back up and simply go ahead and paste it, copy and paste that right in here. Okay, and then click on Save Settings. Okay, let's see what else we can take a quick look at. Let's look at the Google Sitemap Generator. This one's working in the background, but just so you know, it's going to do it automatically for you. You can see here, this sitemap was last built here. Looks like today already. Okay, so it's going to do this for you automatically, and if you scroll down, you can take a look at it right here just to see what it looks like. And this is what it's going to build for you, so Google can crawl your site and keep track of things and rank you faster. Okay, now let's go back up here and take a look at a post, and we'll be able to demonstrate what's going on with the other plugins. Here's a demo one that I just created, so click on Edit, okay, for this post, and I just called it Marketing Hub Demo. Just put a few words in here right now, but just to let you know on the Ping Optimizer, what you didn't want to do before you loaded that was to make all these changes, continuous changes, maybe 3 or 4 changes to your first post or any post while you're writing it, and then keep clicking on Update. And then you make another change, and update again, and add a photo, and update. So what it'd be doing is sending out a ping to all those services, and that's not good, and eventually it might get you banned from some of those services. So let's just say you made a change here, added in some more content. I'll just put the word there, word, and then you clicked on Update. Okay, I had already published this before, so this clicking on Update was basically the second time that I clicked and published this. So now if you go back down here to the Ping Optimizer, you will see that here's the log. Here's the first time I published it, okay, and then did do the pinging to the services. And a couple more times I clicked on that Update button as I was editing it, and it says if you can see that here, it says not pinging and not pinging and not pinging. See, so that's good. It's doing its job for you in the background. Okay, so you don't even need to worry about that. Let's go back to that blog post again. And this time I want to demonstrate, let's see here. Okay, I'm going to have to zoom out a little bit here. Okay, right over here is this RB links, internal links. Okay, and let's just say that I wanted to put a link in here. The key, we'll cover this more in detail in another video, but basically what this one does for you, it gets put right up in here into this part of your posting editing menu. And so what you're going to do is, let's say you want to link from this post a keyword that you're targeting, an anchor text here, that's what this is called, a keyword, and you want to anchor this back and link it back to some other post internal, that's what it is, internal to this website, this blog. Okay, so you can highlight that, or you could type a new word in, but I'm going to highlight this, hello world, that's going to be the link. You click on this icon over here, and then it brings up the linker, and I want to link it to, let's say, a post. You can do it to a page too, and it's an uncategorized post, and it's this hello world right there, hello world post. And since I highlighted it before, it comes up right here as filled in the link text for me. And simply click on Insert Link, and it inserts it in here. Okay, and if I were to click on Preview Changes, you can see in here that it is right here. Okay, and there it is right there, hello world. So it put that link in there automatically for me, linking back to another post that perhaps I want to emphasize or to create more traffic for. Okay, so that's how that works. It's very, very cool program there. And let me close out of this. Okay, so that's that one. Let's see, what else can we demonstrate here? Okay, the all-in-one SEO. Okay, here again is this Marketing Hub demo post. As you're writing it, you want to come on down. Usually it's at the bottom. All-in-one right here, SEO pack. So what you do is you take, perhaps this is going to be your keyword, Marketing Hub demo. You could just copy that, come on down and paste it right in here as the title, because that's the keyword you're after. See, this is optimizing it for SEO, stands for Search Engine Optimization, and right in here. Okay, and then right in here you'd want to type a little description. Okay, basically this is what's going to show up. If this gets indexed on the search engines, this description will show up according to the keyword that you put in there. Okay, so that's just a little bit about that. And then as you click on Update again for this, after you've done updating it, then that will take effect, the settings you just put in there in the SEO. Okay, the analytics we covered, optimizer, okay, the bookmarks, I'll show you that in a second, internal links. So we've covered everything of these basic ones. The bookmarks is simply, you click on Update, and Preview Changes right here. And that one's, of course, really basic. Here it is right here. There's that link, internal link. And this is, by the way, this is that template we loaded right here. And you need to, of course, put your own header in there. But here are the book links that we had set up originally. Okay, so that's it. That's a quick review of all of the basic plugins that we did, configured, and they're ready to go. So in the next video tutorial, we're going to kind of wrap everything up as far as this series goes and get you started with some content writing. And then in the future, we'll have some more detailed video series on really how to create the best kind of content to get recognized out there in the search engines and start getting a following. Okay? We'll talk to you soon. This is Joe Jacobson with Creating Your WordPress Marketing Hub.